Welcome to this video overview of VAT configuration in SureTax. In this tutorial, we will cover how to add, edit, and delete value-added taxes. After logging into SureTax and selecting the company that you want to work with, you can navigate to VAT configuration using the menu. It's located under the configuration heading. On the VAT screen we can see a world map, in which countries are color-coded according to whether they have value-added taxes active. In the map details section below, countries with active value-added taxes are organized by continent. You can see on their cards how many of these taxes are active in each country. Let's walk through the process of adding new active VAT configurations. We start by clicking the Add button. This opens the wizard to create tax configurations, starting with the selection of the countries to which these taxes are assigned. Today we're going to be adding value-added taxes for multiple countries in Europe. Expanding the Europe drop-down list displays the countries I can select. Let's select Belgium, Austria, and Denmark. Having made country selections, it's time to move them to the selected window. The double arrows will move all entries from the available window to the selected window or back again, but I want only the countries I've specifically chosen. This creates a new drop-down for Europe containing the countries I selected. Now it's time to select the products for which I'm collecting tax in these countries. Again we have drop-downs, this time for categories of products. I'll make selections for products I sell in these countries. Then I'll go ahead and move these over, so we can keep track of what I've selected, before I move to a different product category. In addition to my selections in clothing, I'll add periodicals. Let's say I also sell newspapers in these countries. Again we're replicating the upper categories on the selected side, but only including the products I've chosen. These products will be assigned to all of the countries I selected in the previous step. Now we'll move on to deciding when the tax will be applicable. This tax actually was initiated in January, so I'll specify that. The end date is unspecified by default, so I'll leave that as is. This section below the applicable dates notifies us that the tax type is 51, the tax category is 01, and the customer and provider are both default. This means that when you're looking at your report, you'll look for 5101 to see your VAT countries, and you'll see the country code as well. These are all of the selections that need to be made, so let's create the tax. This closes the wizard, and we see a confirmation message at the top of the screen. Belgium is one of the countries I selected for my configuration. If I click on it, and then scroll down to the map details section, I see the details for Belgium. Belgium has value-added taxes on 3 products, 2 under general clothing and 1 under periodicals. These are the products I selected. These can be edited or deleted, if necessary. To do either one you'd simply click on the card, which opens the Edit Value-Added Tax dialog. Here I could either change the end month for this tax or just remove it. In this case I'll go ahead and delete. And then confirm the deletion. The VAT configuration was deleted successfully, and we can see that it's no longer listed in the details for Belgium. Let's return to the global details by clicking the back arrow. Here we can see all VAT configurations for the countries that have them, organized by continent. Under Europe we find the cards for Austria, Belgium, and Denmark, the countries I selected previously. From the details screen for any particular country, or for the world as we see here, clicking the Add button opens the wizard that we walked through, where you can configure value-added taxes for any country and any product. This is where we'll end our tutorial on configuring value-added taxes. I hope you now feel comfortable navigating the map, the details screen, and the processes of adding, editing, and deleting VAT configurations. Thanks for watching our video on VAT configuration in SureTax.